Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the new discount code for Fundednext. So it's really simple. So what you want to do is just write Fundednext discount code in the search bar, and there are some good websites. I want to show you this one here. As you can see, this one, you just have to simply tap on this. It usually update itself. As you can see here, it was updated just recently. The other websites just don't usually update it. You want to use this website as it updates, and if you use this website and if you see this website is not updated, you have to search for this in the search bar and just look for the website that is updating recently. Then open the website. Now here you are going to find all the discount codes that you want to use, all the coupons, and you can search for it, and you can simply tap on this get deal, and then you can use the code in your next purchases. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to use coupon code for Fundednext. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.